money they giving it.
They want you to feel me.
Good morning, you guys. I am headed to... I hate using the backup camera, y'all. I'm so old school. I have to always look back. I can't stand it. Let me get back with y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, like I was saying, the backup camera thing, I know it's cool, and I mean, you know, I use it sometimes, but for the most part, I still have to look back. You know, the old drivers closed now. What's doing? Come on, garage door. Do I gotta come back up soon? What's going on? The signal seems to be weak, but I'm headed to I'm gonna go to Aldi's because it's kind of close by, because I need some like some peppers and stuff, like some veggies, some fresh veggies, and I'll see what else they have that I want to probably like try. Yeah, so we heading to Aldi's. Oh, and I want to go to Home Depot too. Goodness, to get a plant. So let's see what type of plants they have now at Home Depot. Yeah. So I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Maybe I'll do a haul if I get a lot of stuff from Aldi's. Okay. I'm using my phone to record, so the quality, y'all know how the phone be. But I was looking for a quarter so I could rent my cart. But Aldi's got curbside. They straight up got curbside, man. I should have curbside me some stuff. That's why I went, dang, I didn't know that. Learn something new every day. Okay, you guys, we are in Home Depot's area. My Aldi's trip was not a success because I was not supposed to spend no more than $30 up in the I ain't gonna say up in Aldi's, but in Aldi's today. Now the vegetables, I got that, some little fruit, you know. Then I heads on over. So looking at the meat, I'm like, oh, the meat looks pretty decent, okay? Meat was looking pretty good. So I bought some meat out of there. And I got some lunch meat as well, like some Black Forest ham, smoked ham, and then some honey ham. Yeah, but the trip was supposed to be veggies. Veggies only. Fruits and veggies only, you know? But, yeah, now I'm ready to go in Home Depot. Find me a little parking spot close to the nursery. I don't know why they don't let you go into the nursery. Like, what the hell is all this shit right here? When I tell you, people crazy, it's a bunch of fucking food trash that I just ran over. Why I want to park? Make no sense. Just put this shit in the trash can. What's wrong? I mean, they got a whole family order of garbage. Come on now, can I find a good parking spot? I want to be semi-close to the door. Oh, they are letting me go through the nursery again. Okay, so I'm gonna park near the nursery because if I park where I go in with everyone else, I'll start buying things that I ain't going in for. So yeah, let's park in the nursery. They got the nursery parking on lock. On lock. On lock. I guess it's a good spot. Right here. Right here. I guess. Just park right here, shit. I'm just gonna go on through. I told you I cannot use the backup. Old school. Anyway, Since I'm going through the nursery, hopefully I can just find the type of plants that I want. Indoor and possibly outdoor plants. Let's go on in. Let's go on up in here. You guys, I wore a hat out today because I still look like a little boy by the head. So it's gonna be like 2 to 3 days before my hair starts to lift. Lift and look nice, look like a girl, okay? But Home Depot did not have any plants that I liked. I did pick up one $6 plant. I already have a plant similar to this plant, but I just got another one. And I went ahead and bought 2 more pots. So when I do find the plants that I want, I can just repot them in those planters, and some more potting mix. So I already have it on hand, so when I find like a new plant that I like, wherever I find one, I can just like repot it or whatever. Some of the things that I was able to pick up, and we're going to start over here on this side. Back here I have just some dairy products that I got, like so almond milk, half and half, heavy cream, cream cheese, and sour cream down there. 2 packages of green leaf lettuce, some red grapes, and these bananas. I like to buy them like this sometimes because they just ripen really quick at home on the counter. A couple of mangoes, sweet bell peppers, green peppers, onions, and Brussels sprouts right here. And I picked up 2 of these cubes, you know, to make like chicken broth and beef broth if a recipe calls for it. And I like to have these on hand just in case I don't have like the liquid already, you know, in like the boxes for the recipe. I could just like put a couple of these in some water and let them, you know, do their thing. Over here we have croissants. I picked up these packages of ready-made salads. Like, I don't normally buy my salads ready-made like this, but I figured I'd give it a try, and I can like try to see if I can clean them in my salad spinner. This one right here is a sweet kale chopped salad, and it has like cabbage, kale, and carrots in it, dried cranberries, a tangy citrus dressing, and sunflower seeds. This one is an Asian salad kit, and has green cabbage, red cabbage, green leaf lettuce, carrots, and green onions, wonton strips, Asian sesame dressing, and sliced almonds. I also picked up 3 of these chicken fajita packages. They did not have chicken fajita seasoning, so yeah, I have to go out and get some of that. Probably stop at Walmart another day and get that. I have flour tortillas back there. We're gonna see how these taste. I don't know about that, you know. We're gonna have to try those out. And I got a couple of packages of ham. This is a honey ham, this is a hickory smoked ham, and this is Black Forest ham, and ready-made shrimp. So yeah, well, pre-cooked shrimp, ready-made, whatever, you know, just to make a shrimp night real fast. I also picked up a package of chicken tenders, chicken breast, some leg quarters, and what else I get? Pork steaks. So, oh, and that's a little tongue that I found hiding in the trunk from IKEA. I bought new batteries for our touchless trash can, but it doesn't need batteries. So it's a problem with like something right in there, because sometimes I spray this inside with bleach, but the motor is definitely still working. It's still blinking green, but whatever. I see online that I can order like a replacement lid. So this is the touchless iTouchless website right here, and they have different lids for the different trash cans. So I'm just going to order another lid for our trash can. I believe our lid is this one. I have to look at the numbers. So this lid is $40, And like I had a little bundle right here for $51 with a new filter and all that stuff. But I just need the lid because I still have filters. I don't need any more filters. Yeah, that looks like us. But anyway, I'm gonna check the numbers and I have to order this today. I really love having this trash can because when I'm cooking and stuff like that, I don't have to like lift the lid or put my foot on a pedal to open the lid. I could just put my hand across it and it opens. I can throw the trash away and just move on. Really convenient. So I will be adding this to the cart. Oh no, actually, let me make sure that's the one I need. I'm gonna have burgers again. I'm toasting up the little thin bread. I have some lettuce that I rinsed by hand. I didn't use my salad spinner for that. I just have them sitting upside down to let them dry. Mix up the ground beef. That's my husband coming in the garage. If you hear music, that's him. I'm gonna mix up the ground beef and then put some fries in the air fryer. I wanted to show you all what I wore today. It's almost 8 o'clock and this is the outfit of the day. This is what I wore earlier today. So I'm getting ready to take it off and get undressed, but I want to go ahead and show you what I had on. So I have on these pants that you can find at JShavon.com. They fit real good, honey. They fit everywhere. They're soft, they're comfortable. They have like a little flare leg. And I paired it with this tank top. I didn't have a white bodysuit that I wanted to wear. So I took the tank top and I tucked it under and gave it like this little half shirt look. I put on this jacket I've been wearing a lot lately. This is my go-to jacket as of right now. And I have on this little chain with this little heart pendant with a few charms that hang from it. These hoop earrings, and I wore a pair of slides, you know. Real cute, real comfortable for today. But these pants, honey, they're giving it. They're giving it. They're giving it that soft and the comfortable sweetness. Like I said, you can find them at JShavon.com. But I'll go ahead and get myself undressed. I want to use a face mask tonight. So I'm thinking maybe the gold face mask that I got from Marshall's. I'll probably try that tonight. I haven't steamed my face in a while, so I'll probably do that first, then use the mask. I don't know, but I'm getting a little hungry. I already ate, but I'm hungry again, so I'm going to eat the salad that I bought yesterday, like maybe one of those bag salads. I'll just go ahead and rinse it, and yeah, I'll probably try that. You guys, I want to apologize. I didn't realize that I had the TV volume up so loud, so I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about that. So I hope you heard what I was saying about the OOTD for today. I'm real sorry. My son's TV is up loud too. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I was not thinking. I was not thinking. But anyway, you can find those pants at JShavon.com, baby. JShavon.com. Good morning, cuties. I fell asleep last night. I was gonna do the face mask, steam my face and all that. I fell asleep. So anyway, good morning again, cuties. I have to clean up everywhere. Every room looks, you know, like it needs some help, especially my son's room, but I won't be filming that because I just won't be filming that. So I may just, you know, go into our bathroom, my office, possibly the kitchen, but I need to clean I need to clean up. I'm tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Alright, let me get this coffee on in me. I need to make me some breakfast too, but this is vanilla bean coffee with, yeah, I know, my sweet Italian cream. And the news, what are they talking about? Freezing. What the? What? There's a freeze warning tonight. And they're saying it may snow. Yeah, it's snowing. Like, it's rain mixed with a little bit of snow, from what I can tell looking out this window. But guys, look, I put on these PJs, a different pair of PJs, so I'll go ahead and start cleaning up. I'm going to end the vlog here. I might just do a cleaning video, another voiceover cleaning video. Film that today, maybe, I don't know, and just upload that as a different video. Then maybe I probably won't. But yeah, this is killing my spirit right here. Like, what is this? What is this? I really can't tell if it's snow or if it's rain, but it looks more white than not. Whatever, y'all. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care, cuties. See y'all in the next one.